smoothie bowl to a lot of my Instagram stories along with some snips to my YouTube channel, but I've never actually shown you guys how I made it. So now I finally took the time, and here is my typical smoothie bowl recipe.
So first I'll use an organic unsweetened acai packet from Trader Joe's. Then I will use some cauliflower, frozen banana, chia seeds, and I'll swell my chia seeds with water before starting to get that jelly-like consistency. Some organic spinach, a quarter of an avocado, a little knuckle of ginger, some pure monk fruit extract, unsweetened almond milk. This is what I'm currently using, which is just collagen protein, a bit of ground cinnamon, and some Superfood grain mix.
So I like to start off with everything that is frozen. I put it all in this bowl, which is acai packet, a little tiny bit of frozen banana, and some frozen cauliflower. And I will also use broccoli if I don't have that. It just adds more ice consistency along with nutritional value, and you can't even taste it. 1 knuckle of ginger, a big handful of spinach. Accidentally made way too much chia seed, so I'll add about a heaping tablespoon of that. And for some more healthy fats, half of an avocado or a quarter of an avocado, which mind you, you can't taste the avocado, you can't taste the cauliflower. Those are super neutral flavors. The reason I add them is because of the consistency. Again, it just adds to that whole jelly. You'll see, it turns into a bowl. It's so good. And now I'll move into the powdered things, which is this Superfood green mix. My neighbor actually gave me a different, more nutrient dense powdered mix that I put in this container. It's not this brand anymore. I used all of this up. I can't tell you what is in the one that I'm drinking, but I know that it's like super duper 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 healthy. Good stuff. Either way, this one's good too. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to help regulate blood sugar and for flavor, obviously. I try to keep this as low in sugar as possible, so you can see that I only added a little bit of a banana, and that's the only thing making this whole thing sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and add some monk fruit powder just to keep it being sweet without adding a ton of fruit. I wanna get the majority of the smoothie from my greens and not from my fruit, because the fruit and the sweet part goes on top, not in the bowl itself. But we obviously want it to taste good. And then last but not least, this wouldn't be a Superfood power bowl without some kind of protein. And then for the almond milk, I'll count to 3 pretty much. And then I'll blend it, and then I'll add, and I'll blend it, and I'll add, but you don't want to add too much because once it becomes too soupy, you can't put your toppings on it. So this is the part that you really just have to feel out. Here we go.
I'll start off with some diced strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, walnuts, coconut flakes, and then I'll top it with some goji berries and some hemp seeds, almond butter, and then of course a dash more of cinnamon. Absolutely love this combination, and I switch up the toppings quite frequently, but I would definitely say that this is my go-to.
It's like a superfood berry protein bowl, and there's nothing better than this, and I feel so good after I eat it and energized. And that completes my smoothie bowl video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or would like to make this smoothie bowl yourself, if you do, please snap a photo and tag me in it. I would love to see what you create. Also, any tips and tricks that you have to share, I would love to know how you guys make your smoothie bowls at home.
You know, Brock, you remind me of someone.
So good.